Today you will learn how to format date time inside Flutter. You will create an app which has a date time and then you will format it by using a single line of code. Before starting this video, I just want you to subscribe Hussain Humdani channel and also press the bell icon so that you will find the notification of all Flutter solutions. We will start by creating a demo project, and inside this project we will create a single scaffold and then a center text widget. We will remove this hello and write the DateTime.now to show the current date time to the screen. We will press the save button and see the preview. Now you can see the date time onto the screen. For formatting this date time, we will use a Flutter package. For that, we will go to the pub.dev, and inside the pub.dev we will find the intel package and then install it by going to the installing and copy the dependencies and go to the pubspec.yaml, and inside the dependencies place the intel and save it. Go back to the main and on the top just import the intel package. Remove this toString and also cut it by pressing Ctrl X, and also use date format class, and inside the date format class just use the pattern. You can use pattern to format the date that you wanted to format. So here we will place that pattern, and after that we use the dot format, and inside the format we place our date, which is DateTime.now. So we passing the current time to the format, and we just writing the pattern in which we want to see our date to the UI. So as you can see right now we have this type of date time onto the screen. Now I'm gonna change this by using a pattern. I'm just wanted to show the year, so I will just write YYYY and just save it, and you can see only the year will be displayed onto the screen from this DateTime.now. So right now it is 2021. So after that we can use the month dot or space. You can use any symbol here like dash, and you can use month and then save it, and you can see the month. After that you will use DD for the days. You can also add some space and use KK for the hours. Okay, so it is 24, or you can use capital KK and then save it. So it is 00 because I am recording late at night, so it is KK, and after that we will place MM, which represents the minutes, and after that we place SS, which represents the seconds. So right now you can actually see the formatting inside our app. After that we use for presenting the AM and PM status, we can use just A and then save it. So right now you can see this is the time that I am recording this video. So I hope you know how to format the date time inside Flutter. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.